To replace the convection fan, always ensure your stove is shut off, cool, and unplugged. Then proceed by removing the right side panel of the unit. Disconnect the electrical connectors and then remove the fasteners that hold the convection fan to the rear of the firebox. Next, carefully remove the fan. Now you're ready to reassemble the new fan with the new gasket in reverse order. Carefully reposition the fan and take your time. Finish by reinstalling the side panel. Always refer to the product manual that came with your replacement part for complete details on this procedure. Now it's time to clean the convection fan. Start by removing the right side panels of the unit. Disconnect the electrical connections for the fan and remove the fasteners holding the fan on the rear of the firebox. Remove the fan, and be careful not to damage the gasket. Bring the fan into a work area and gently brush and vacuum any dust from inside and around the fan blades and housing. If you have access to an air compressor or leaf blower, bring the fan outside and gently blow any remaining loose dust from the fan and housing. Reassemble the fan in reverse order and then reattach the right side panel. If you have additional questions, contact PelPro Consumer Care